Hello my friend and fellow trader, it's Will here over at XAUUSD.com, and today we're going to look at a couple of cryptocurrencies. I've been asked to do this by a lot of my email newsletter subscribers, just asking me where do I think Bitcoin and Ethereum will stop. And in this video I'm going to show you my analysis and just tell you where I think it's going to go. If you've been watching my videos for a long time, the last bear market, I predicted the turning point of Bitcoin before it would go to $35,000 at 3K. There will be a link for that video in the description area. And today we're going to look at it again. So if you're not a subscriber yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. Okay, so as you know, I look at the higher time frames. I take a top-down approach, and for Bitcoin, especially in cryptocurrencies, I'm only really going to look at the monthly and weekly and daily charts, preferably just the monthly and weekly, and tell you the kind of areas where it would be good to buy back in on Bitcoin and where I think it's going to go. Okay, so if we zoom in a bit here, okay, and the first kind of target I was looking at was this all-time high of the 20K, okay, well 19K here. And it's kind of nearly hit that this week, 20K. Okay, we have this area here, and then we have the initial area here on the monthly charts. You can see that my indicator actually gave the buy signal there. Okay, this is the initial start of this move here. This area starts at 11K. Okay, well 11,600 on the monthly charts. So if this 20K previous all-time high from 2017 does not hold, we can see Bitcoin going all the way back down to 12K. So if 20K breaks, expect a move back down to the origin of this move here, okay, which caused this high all the way up here to 65K nearly. Okay, so 20K breaks, close below this line here, below 20K or 19,200, expect a move down to 12K, and this will be an excellent area to rebuy back in on Bitcoin. If you kind of look at the way that I analyze the markets, okay, we look at areas that create all-time highs or new highs in the trend. If you look at this area here, okay, we had we'll analyze this trend first, okay. Bitcoin is very technical, so the technicals kind of work a lot better on cryptos. Okay, you can see this. We had this initial breakout here, then we had this pause in the market, and the pause, and then the new high. Okay, and you can see as soon as the market dropped, it came straight down to test this area, and then created a new high. Okay, so what we then do is go up to the next level that created the last high. Okay, you can see this is it here, the swing low. Okay, this swing low caused this new swing high here. So this was an area of interest when the market came back down again. We got a small rebound, okay? Small rebound. It didn't, this is how you know we're kind of going into a bear market, okay? It didn't create nothing really, okay? It was a small bounce, and then you can see broke straight down through it, okay? So if the market does rally here, the next area to sell Bitcoin, the two areas to sell Bitcoin on the monthly charts, okay, good target if 20K holds is here and up here, okay. The reason being, you had this swing low, swing high, new swing low in the downtrend, okay. Again, I reckon 20K will break here, and we'll go down here. We'll zoom into the weekly charts and see if there's any areas on the charts, on the weekly charts, that caused a high, okay. And we can see right here at the 20K mark we have an area, okay. Just delete that. You can see right at the breakout area here we had, let's move this chart here, okay, we had this rally, we had the pause, and then the rally and new high, okay. So that's what I think this test was here, okay. We possibly might see a short-term rally up to here, okay, filling in this gap at around the 30k mark before getting the move back down. Okay, so the key areas, you can see we have this, the breakout area of this support, previous support here. And we have a level here. You had the swing high, then the new swing low. Okay, so we had the breakout of the support at this level. So we could see a relief rally up to here. And the only way, this is where possibly if you like to short the markets, you could short here. Okay, if this breaks through, expect a rally back up to around the 40k mark. But the markets are very bearish at the minute, so I expect the markets just to, we've got the test of this area here. If this starts to come back down, this is going to break, and we're going to go all the way back down to this monthly area here. This was the origin on the monthly chart, the higher time frames that caused this move all the way up here. Okay, so at the minute, I do expect markets coming back down towards 12k. And if we look at my volatility dashboards, okay, if we look at Bitcoin here, okay, and look at this is the RSI dashboard, okay, looking across, this has, if I'm looking to buy these markets, I'd want this to be down towards the 200 mark, okay, the total level. And again, it's got plenty of room to go, especially on the monthly charts. Weekly charts start going down below 20 on the RSI and the daily too. Okay, if we look at the stochastic, look at Bitcoin here also. Okay, very good level to buy. This at is below 150. Okay, in total, and you can see it's still got plenty to go on the 4-hour charts. Expect that's telling me it's going to go down more. Yeah. So again, it is looking bearish. Could expect a little bit of a relief rally up towards the 29k mark, which was the previous support, and then a move back down, breaking through this weekly level here, and then going all the way back down towards the 11k and 9k mark. Okay, this is where I expect it to go. Okay, just based on the technicals. Okay, in and around this area, expect this area to break, 20k to break, and move down towards the origin of the monthly charts. Okay, and if you watch my video from 2018, I think it was, you will see that I predicted this move down here, down to 3k, before taking off towards 35k. It actually went up, doubled that, went up to 70k, but we got the initial analysis right. Okay, and expecting the exact same to happen this time, to break down through. Okay, so we will see. Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum is going to be the same thing. It's kind of the exact same chart. If we look at the monthly charts, we'll zoom in here. The origin of this monthly move, you kind of say it's down towards here. Okay, we have it's kind of broke down through the 2017 high. Okay, we do have a level here in the monthly charts. You can see the market paused and then gapped up. Okay, but this is kind of the origin of this move here. So I expect the market to start coming down towards the 700 mark, down towards the 700 to 500 mark. If that breaks, you can go right down to 200 Ethereum. If we look at the weekly charts, okay. Yeah, again, I can expect this to go down towards the 750 mark, 750, 500 mark. This is an area here that actually caused this move up here. Yeah, very bearish on Ethereum. Very simple. If we look at the monthly charts, kind of similar pattern to what I showed you on Bitcoin there. Okay, we had this leg up here, and we had the swing high, then the swing low would have been a level here. Okay, and you can see that this level here caused this high. Market comes down to test this, and this is a very weak bounce here. Doesn't really do nothing. Creates this new level here. Okay, on the monthly charts, this one is now foiled. So and it's breaking down through the last high. So usually when it breaks down through a high like this, it'll go down to the next level on the monthly charts, which is 737.10. So expect to move down. These would be good areas to buy these cryptos because I do expect it to continue down. If we look at the weekly charts, short term, you could see a possible a relief rally up to the 1700 mark. Got another weekly level here at the monthly. Could see a short-term rally up to here. This would be a good if you like the short market, short it down towards the 750, 500 mark. But this is a very good target here for buying back in on Ethereum. Okay, if we look at the dashboards, Ethereum, okay, still a bit more to go, especially looking at the 4-hour charts here. This can be getting ready for a sell, okay, to drop back down more. Same as the RSI dashboard. Again, I want this well below 300. The monthly's still got a lot to go. 4-hour also. I'd say this is getting ready for a move down towards this monthly area here. Okay, we will see what happens. This will be a good area to buy here and here. Very bearish on these markets, and yeah, Bitcoin. That's my Bitcoin and Ethereum analyst for 16th of June 2022. We'll see how it goes. If you want to access more of my videos like this, simply hit the subscribe button now. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I shall see you on the next video. Will over to fxaus.com.